Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I bring another Roger phone for you. It's a new brand and it's called the Fossibot. What does it mean? But it's whatever. I don't know what this means. Fossibot, Fossil Robert. Well, it's okay. But this is a new Roger phone brand from China, and today I'm going to unbox this new model from them. It's called the Fossibot F101, and here on the label and the mark we can find the basic information about the device. And also this Roger phone device is have a yellow, kind of yellow and between yellow and orange books, so it's very attractive colors. So you know, most of the signs, so the land marks or land something, they use the orange color, so it's more attractive. So maybe that's why they choose this color to be then a weird color. And okay, next I'm going to unbox it and let's check the final appearance about this device, and also I will talk about the specification about the device. And at last I will compare it with another very new model from another Roger phone brand called Ulefone M021, because both of them have very similar features, the big speaker. Okay, so next I'm going to unbox it. So after I open the books, here is a form, a soft form to protect the device smartphone. And here, okay, it's a user manual from F01 Fossibot. Okay, so this is a basic and the introduction about all these device, different languages, the main features about the device, introduction about the device. Okay, so this is the manual, and here the cable is a Type C to USB cable, and here is the it's the charger, Type C to USB charger. This time they provide a 10,600 mAh big batteries with 18-watt fast charging. So this is a fast charger for this device. And here, okay, finally, this is a phone. And here under the phone is a SIM card ejector, a SIM card pen. So okay, this is all stuff inside these books. And here it's a smartphone. Okay, so here in front of us is a Fossibot F101. And first let's talk about the appearance, because it's very similar to another device recently I got. It also have a big speaker here, you know, the sound wave very similar, and the 1, 2, 3 triple camera system, also the LED flashlight. But here is it's called AI or music. Yeah, okay, so this is some words on it. It's a big speaker, and here is a Fossibot. It's a Mento. I think the Mento is the brand name. And also is our typically the Roger design. Here the hook or the hook stopper to stop the water, print water into the body, inside the body. And here some icons to show the light, fingerprint, and also the, I think this is what it mean. This is for the, I don't know what it mean. Oh, face unlock. Yes, face unlock. So it's outside fingerprint. It's really buttons, and the four corners enhanced to be more like a tire, to be more drop proof. And the back design, back panel design, back side is very Roger design, different lines and different angles or shape to make this phone looks very muscle and Rogered. And then when we go to the front, finally have a this is a front camera. Here is a ear receiver. Here's a mic, and this is the mic. And here we can also find the basic information about this device as the screen protector. So it's have a 8 megapixel plus 24 megapixel plus 5 megapixel triple camera system. This is about the camera. This is the AI triple camera system. It's a quad-core processor, MTK MediaTek Helio 822. So this I think for A series is a low end or mid end chip series. It's a quad-core and 2.0 GHz, and this have a 12 nanometers processing technology, and also it's the screen. It's a 18:9 screen to bird ratio, and the size is 4.5 Full HD plus screen display resolution. Big battery, as I mentioned, 10,618 watt fast charging, Android 12 system, and fingerprint scanner, Face ID, and a lot of other informations. And this time we got the here 4G. So there's a 4G and 6 GB RAM plus 64 GB RAM and ROM. Here is more 24 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel macro camera, and 8 megapixel front camera. So it also supports 4 positional system, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou. Okay, so this is all information about the device. So this is very yes, quick introduction about this device. And this device is also supported IP68 and IP69K. And another more information I think main features about the device is the big speaker, because this time it's our super loud camera. Is a 3.5 watt max loud speaker, and its maximum is support to 123 dB. And wait a moment, I will get another device here. Okay, now I think you may know this. So this is a beautiful M21. This is also a big speaker, larger device, and this one is 123, but this one is 122. So these are very similar specification on the dBs, only 1 dB over than this. But as we can see, when I put it in my hand, the big difference comes from the size, because this one, let me go to the front, it's our 6.58 Full HD plus, and this only 5.45 HD plus. So this is different from the size. This one, the beautiful M21, is much bigger, and the battery, though this one is a smaller size, but the battery is bigger. It's have a 10,600, and this one only 6,900. And also about the camera, 16 is have a 64 megapixel plus 24 megapixel rear cameras, but also this one is have only 8 megapixel, 24 megapixel, and 5 megapixel. And Android 12, Android setting, Android 12 fingerprint and Face ID. And also this one, both of them support IP68 and IP69K. Yes, all chips, this one MediaTek Helio G99, and this one Helio 820. So this is a main difference, 822, sorry, about these two devices. Yes, so that is the main big difference between these two devices. And another difference comes from the magnetic connection. So this forms the beautiful M21 can connect through the magnetic connection to more accessories, and also both side and back panels have a 1, 2, 3, 4 to 4 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. It can expand it to more accessories. That's periscope, night vision, infrared. Also here is have an infrared radiation. So it's also supported the infrared radiation remote control, but this is just normal. It doesn't have so many expanded functions. But besides except these similarities, but also they have differences. They also got some similarities, like here, very similar design, the fingerprint, power button, volume button, and also here this is the SIM card tray, and also the the buttons with some lines is the customized button, very similar. Except it seems this one is a small size Ulefone M101, so very similar. Also the hook, and also we can go to the front. We can find that both of them do good on the screen protect, because this one and this one both the edge is bombed up, so if it drops from this angle, this edge can protect the screen well. Yep. And also at last, I think I will peel this off and we can check some more. Okay, up here about this device. When we go to the settings part, here about the phone, so here you can find more information about this device. Okay, they don't show any specifications in this interface, but it's okay. I will take a sample of this. Here is the phone, and here is the object. Take a here. Okay, where's the camera? Here. Okay. Okay, 4 times. Front. Also, okay, it doesn't support wide angle, so okay, I will put the sample image at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the quick introduction about this device from a brand called Fossibot, the F101, the new Roger model in the market. And okay, I've tested waterproof, and I will play music in the water. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned with more cool gadget from here. Last part test videos, end of the video. Thanks, bye bye.
我不管你了，我飞，还蛮好啊。
好啦。
来喽！我跟你换头，再找两个鲤鱼，先洗头，把头洗干净。
好，给我洗了。
好，来了，温水了，来了，进来了。
是温水。